who's here. I hear someone here. It's Santa! And he has a lot of toys! Oh my goodness! Who's here?
Was he a good dog?
He was good. Well, not. Yeah, he was good. That was good. There we go. Yeah, she's good.
How about this guy?
Buddy's good. We all know Buddy's good. Riley's good. They're all good dogs. Santa. I almost said Daddy. Mikey was good. Where you going, Caden? Buddy was good. Oh, Puppy Pumpkin says I was good. They're opening them up too. Oh, Gunner's always good. Well, yeah, Gunner's good. That's a good one. Oh, Gunner, you got toys. What'd you get? What'd you get, Pumpkin? Bodie's good. What you got, Bodie? Somebody's trying to steal. No, it's the little baby over here, baby Lisa. She's missing one. Take it, Lisa. Oh my. That's all right. Just roughage. There's Remy and Rosie over here. Do you have any left?
Yeah. Where's Rosie?
Oh, she's behind
Rosie,
me.
here,
She's
Rosie.
like, what is going on?
Here, Rosie.
Oh boy. Angel, she's too old. She's like, yeah, I'm done with all that. Just give me mine unwrapped. I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas. Thank you, Santa.
Only come with good dogs. Houses that have good dogs. It's everybody.
There's Remy over here. He didn't get one. Get it, Remy. He's like, who's that guy in the hat with the flashing light? I know, he's always carrying towels and stuff. Get it, Ron. Get it. He's freaked out. Isn't that funny? The toughest of tough.
So, Rosie. One more. Who wants the last one? You do not have.
He's like, I'm not shy. I'll take it, Santa. All right. Well, we're going to take them out of the packaging for them. They can unwrap them, but we have, some of them have packages. All right, you all have a wonderful Christmas.